Are you on the hunt for the perfect action camera that can handle all your crazy moments? Well, today we're going to dive deep into the 5 best action cameras in 2025. Whether you're a vlogger, weekend adventurer, or pro content creator, there's something in here that's going to upgrade your footage big time. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Akaso Brave 7LE, our pick for the best budget action camera. If you're after something affordable but still want high-quality footage, this little gem punches well above its weight. It shoots in 4K video at 30 frames per second and even gives you the option to drop to 2.7K video at 60 frames per second if you prefer smoother frame rates. That's pretty great considering its budget-friendly price point. The built-in 6-axis stabilization helps minimize shakiness, so your footage stays surprisingly smooth, even during quick movements. One standout feature is the front-facing screen, perfect for vloggers who like to keep themselves in frame while on the go. The camera is also waterproof without a case, but we wouldn't recommend it for scuba-level depths. Think of it more as splash-proof for rainy hikes or beach dips. You also get decent battery life, intuitive controls, and a compact build that's easy to pack and carry. While it may not rival a GoPro in raw power, the Brave 7LE gives you a light, reliable, and affordable way to start capturing epic moments. Perfect for entry-level content creators, students, or anyone needing a secondary cam on a budget. Coming in at number 4 is the DJI Osmo Action 4, and it absolutely shines in low-light conditions. If you've ever filmed a sunset and ended up with grainy footage that looks like a raccoon's night vision, this camera is your redemption. Thanks to its larger 1/1.3-inch image sensor, low-light videos come out clean, colorful, and sharp, with excellent detail retention. The 10-bit D-Log M color profile lets you squeeze every drop of richness from your footage when color grading. And the best part is, it records 4K video at a buttery smooth 120 frames per second, so you can slow down those backflips and cliff jumps in glorious, ultra-wide motion. The magnetic quick-release mount is brilliant. You can swap setups in seconds, even with gloves on. It's also built for the extreme, handling sub-zero temperatures like a champ and lasting up to 150 minutes in the cold. Image stabilization is rock solid, with 3 different modes that let you fine-tune your footage. This camera is ideal for snowboarders, skaters, or anyone who films at dawn, dusk, or in dim settings. If you crave epic footage even in low light and want to avoid the GoPro tax, the Osmo Action 4 is your new go-to. At number 3, we have the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, our pick for the best vlogging action camera. This one is built for storytellers who want Hollywood-grade visuals in a compact body. It's rocking an upgraded 1/1.3-inch sensor paired with Leica optics, delivering 8K resolution that makes your footage look like a movie scene. But the real star here is the dual AI-powered processor setup. These chips allow for smarter noise reduction, real-time image processing, and killer low-light performance through the new Pure Video mode. That means you can vlog at night or indoors and still get clear, vibrant results. The camera also supports active HDR at up to 4K video at 60 frames per second, adding punch and depth to your footage, especially in mixed lighting conditions. There's a built-in wind noise reduction system, so your voice cuts through even when you're riding or hiking in the breeze. It also features a bright 2.5-inch flip touchscreen, which is great for checking your frame while filming yourself. This camera is tough, waterproof, and built for fast-paced creators, so it's perfect for vloggers, travel YouTubers, or TikTokers who want quality and convenience without hauling a bulky setup. Taking the number 2 spot is the Insta360 X4, the best 360-degree action camera for creators ready to shoot every angle at once. This camera captures immersive 360-degree video at an eye-popping 8K resolution, giving you ultra-sharp footage and endless flexibility in post. Whether you're skateboarding, hiking, biking, or swimming, this camera sees everything, and that means you'll never miss the action again. One of its best tricks is the flow state stabilization, which keeps your footage super smooth even when you're moving fast or spinning in wild directions. The HDR video profile handles tricky lighting with ease, so your shots look cinematic whether you're in direct sun or shadowy forests. It's waterproof up to 33 feet and built rugged so you can take it on rough terrain without worry. The upgraded 2.7-inch touchscreen is intuitive and bright. Even your grandma could use it. And if you're into cinematic effects, Bullet time mode lets you capture those slow-motion, matrix-style spins with ease. It's the perfect camera for adventurers, creatives, and content creators who want to take storytelling to the next dimension. Finally, at the #1 spot, we've got the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, our pick for the best overall action camera in 2025. If you want an all-round beast that can handle audio, video, vlogging, and rugged adventures, this is it. First off, it's compatible with DJI's Mic 2 wireless system, a massive win for creators who care about clean, high-quality audio straight from the source. It also comes packed with a 40-megapixel sensor, capable of shooting crisp, vibrant 4K video, even in low light. The dynamic range is excellent, and the footage looks polished straight out of the camera. Its dual touchscreen setup, front and rear, makes self-recording incredibly easy, whether you're filming a vlog or checking your framing mid-shot, and it's a breeze to operate. The camera itself is built tough but compact, weighing only 5.2 ounces, and it's waterproof up to 65 feet, perfect for diving, surfing, or poolside adventures. The stabilization is excellent, battery life is solid, and the mounting system is fast and flexible. Whether you're capturing jaw-dropping landscapes or POV shots on the go, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is the camera that does it all. Ideal for creators, adventurers, and professionals who need reliable performance every time.